Hey, this is Mike from Helium Street, and hey, stick with me today because we're going to be installing this Hotspot miner in a pretty cool location. So stay tuned. Well, thanks for joining me on that little adventure to install that RAK hotspot miner at that high elevation location. So it was a great experience, and it's not to say that you have to have those high elevation locations to have a profitable hotspot. You can mine HNT pretty much anywhere where there's other units around for them to connect and witness and have proof of coverage. So I wanted to also highlight today the CalChip units that they have available. Of course, it's the most common unit that RAK has provided through CalChip Connect is the RAK Hotspot Miner version 2. And that unit, along with a couple of other units, are available for either pre-order or order. Depending on when you view this video, you'll be able to have different types of shipping options in front of you. So now, in addition to the RAK hotspot, CalChip Connect also provides a Kerlink helium compatible miner, and there's two different indoor versions at the moment. There might be more coming on, but there's the 868 and the 915 megahertz units that are available for us in the U.S. and European market, and then we also have the outdoor unit that Kerlink has available as well. And so at the moment that one's only available in the European market, but I'm assuming that moving forward that's going to be available. So what you need to do though is you need to click the link at the bottom of the description section of this video, and then that'll open up a whole basically a page showing you what is available. So hey, thanks a lot for being with me today. It was a great experience, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.